Dancehall artist Invasion and rapper Safari have finally released the video for their collaborative effort dubbed Story. The track, produced by the UK-based label The Estate Entertainment, showcases both artists sharing their stories of some unforgivable things their female counterparts have said and done to them during past relationships.
Safari, why the wickedest thing I got ever do you?
I had a girl say she loved me, but all she want was money, and thought they wouldn't bring it back to me like I'm a dummy. I saw the screenshots, she thought the screen locked. She hot in the block up like it's a butterbean.
This collaboration comes on the heels of Safari's announcement of his plans to start his own label with a focus on dancehall, reggae, and soca. Invasion rose to fame after his controversial performance of the single Wicked went viral on social media. The artist later teamed up with Chanel Muir for the official release of the track.
So wicked, why them so wicked? But I know said them girl are wicked.
Now, American rapper, singer, and songwriter Beach Boy has teamed up with Ding Dong on a new track dubbed Up Down. Beach Boy, who is currently in Jamaica, shared details with E-Prime on the dance single that premiered yesterday.
For the song with Ding Dong, it was something that I was very inspired by him when I made the song, and I feel like it's a dancing song because up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, I'm glad that it came out the way it did. It's out right now. You should go check it out. Beach Boy, Ding Dong, Up Down.
Beach Boy is also working on a new track with the party animal Charlie Blacks. According to Beach Boy, fans can expect the unexpected from that song.
My song with Charlie, I don't know. Just expect the unexpected. It's a big song. It's a world song. So we're definitely taking it like international.
The rapper is no stranger to teaming up with dancehall acts. Last year, the artist released Too Cold Remix, which featured dancehall artist Vybz Kartel.
I just woke up and the song was in my email. I thank God every day.
Beach Boy's EP Badman was released on June 4. The album Sly and Robbie vs. Roots Radix The Dub Battle has re-entered the Billboard charts following its vinyl release on Record Store Day and on all streaming platforms. The project is a follow-up to the highly acclaimed The Final Battle and includes music from late reggae icons Lee Scratch Perry and Bunny Stryker Lee. The album is said to be a tribute to Toots Hibbert, Lee Scratch Perry and Bunny Stryker Lee's careers. A CD release is scheduled for October, and a special edition collectible vinyl will be available in early 2022. I'm Daedra reporting for E-Prime.